you trace the word pig? P is for pig. We're on the farm. What animals will we see? Let's find out. Duck, cow, pig, horse, farmer, chicken. Great job. Pig,
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Just tip me over and pour me out. I'm a special teapot, yes, it's true. Here's an example of what I can do. I can change my handle to my spout. Just tip me over and pour me out. Just tip me over and pour me out.
teapot, cow. Help Cowie collect the vegetables. We want lettuce. Tap to jump. Jump over the haystacks. Jump over the haystacks. Don't fall in the water. Don't fall in the water. Watch out. We want cucumbers. Jump over the haystacks. Uh-oh, Cowie ran out of paint. Watch out for the mud. Uh-oh, Cowie ran out of paint.
Five little ducks went out one day over the hills and far Mother Duck said. But only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother Duck said. But only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother Duck said. But only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother Duck said. But only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother Duck said. But no little ducks came waddling back. Sad Mother Duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother Duck said. And all of the 5 little ducks came back.
Hello, Lisa. Are you enjoying reading your book? Lovely. But now it's time for bed. You're sleepy, aren't you? It looks like you're really tired. Let's tidy up and go to bed. First, let's pick up all the books and teddies. Put the teddies on the low shelf. Well done! Put the books on the high shelf. Great! Now the room is all cleaned up. Now, let's put on pajamas. Open the closet. Help Lisa put on her pajamas. Congratulations! Let's put Lisa's pillow on her bed. You did it! Let's turn off the lights. The lamp. Congratulations! Good night, Lisa. Good morning, Lisa. Look how rested you are. Have a great day. Tap the cowboy boots. Cowboy. Tap the apple. Take the piece with the tennis shoes. Tap the ball with the rectangle. Rectangle. Fill the glass that has the towel. Tap the planet with the shoe. Tap the bottle with the sweater. Tap the trousers. Tap the bedroom slippers. Take the truck to the bicycle. Can you trace the letter S? S is for sun. S, s, s.
Hi, Lingo Kids. It's Meredith, your English teacher. This week at Lingo Kids, we're on the farm. Do you know what animals we'll find there? A horse is on the farm, a horse is on the farm. Hi-ho-a-dairy-o, a horse is on the farm. A pig is on the farm, a pig is on the farm. Hi-ho-a-dairy-o, a pig is on the farm. A hen is on the farm, a hen is on the farm. Hi-ho-a-dairy-o, a hen is on the farm. Learn all about farm animals this week in Lingo Kids. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.
Help Elliot get to the food. Take Elliot to the meat. Yay! Meat. Take Elliot to the milk. Yay! Milk. Now it's a little bit harder. Take Elliot to the bread. Yay! Bread. Take Elliot to the chicken. Uh-oh, try again. Uh-oh, try again.
A butterfly.
Pink. Paint bucket. Pencil. Eraser. White. Paint bucket.